I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at the Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts. I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Corey, your seaplane spotter extraordinaire. I'm thrilled to take you on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure where I offer you a front row seat with a first-class ticket. The adventure takes place at the stunning aerodrome with the airport code Charlie Yankee Hotel Charlie. This airport is the busiest water aerodrome of its kind in all of Canada. Welcome aboard! This harbour air, de Havilland Otter, is ident Foxtrot India Tango Foxtrot and is serial number 89. She was manufactured in Canada in 1955. That makes this seaplane 69 years old. It's a wow. She was purchased by Harbour Air in June of 2004. She's a beauty. This Harbour Air de Havilland Otter is ident Golf Hotel Alpha Sierra and is serial number 284. She was manufactured in Canada in 1958 and purchased by Harbour Air in 2003. 1958. That makes it 10 years older than me. Wow. This Seair Caravan is ident Golf Mike Oscar Whiskey and is serial number 208000528. She was manufactured in the United States in 2011. Thanks for finding my channel and watching this video. I'm truly grateful for your support. When you tune in and I make revenue from YouTube, I donate 10% of that revenue to various charitable organizations. Your support does help make a positive impact, and I thank you. This Harbour Air de Havilland Otter is ident Golf Hotel Alpha Zulu and is serial number 19. She was manufactured in 1953. I did the math. It makes her 71. Whew! She's been around a while. This DHC-2 de Havilland Beaver is operated by Gulf Island Seaplanes, and it has the ident Foxtrot Oscar Charlie November and is serial number 44 and was manufactured in Canada in 1948. I don't even want to do the math on that one.
310, come towards change on route 122.
This beautiful Cessna Grand Caravan is somewhat of a new addition to Harbour Air and was purchased new in 2017 and started her service in early January 2018. She has ident Foxtrot Lima Hotel Alpha and is serial number 208B5418. This Cessna Grand Caravan was manufactured in the United States by Textron Aviation. She's a beauty.
Absolutely Hotel, taxi note on a VFR to Seaplane for Seattle with plans to pick up our IFR in the vicinity of Two Tracks with Victoria. We'd like to try terminal service. Hotel Lima Hotel Alpha Harbor Tower, wind blowing variable, altimeter 2984, squawk 0422. 0422, where are your thoughts or Lima Hotel? Lima Hotel Alpha, your sideline turn approved through 2000, takeoff northeast 9 your discretion. Northeast, southbound turn to 2000. Any more time after this? Before 02. 316 up. Bravo Charlie, extend for about half a mile past Science Road before starting your 180. Extend for half a mile for Oscar Bravo Charlie.
Thank you for finding the lounge at Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre. I'm grateful you took the front row seat with your first class ticket. The lounge is a welcoming space where aviation enthusiasts come together and share their knowledge of these amazing machines. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is just a small reflection of me and what my monocular vision sees. Explore the Planes playlist, where you'll find over 200 long-form videos and shorts. Besides planes, I also have a passion for all things with wings, nature, and even food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.